YouTube, man. What's happening with y'all? Y'all already know what the deal is. We coming at y'all with another banger. But today we started off a little bit different. I know. A lot of y'all been asking me what's new with the content, where we gonna be at, what we been on. I got y'all. Just stay tuned. But let's get into it. I just hopped out the shower. And it's going on about 1:45. Finna be 2. Bro, I just ate. You feel me? I need a little dessert, and that's crazy. Shooting past, what, 1 a.m.? Fuck it. Alright, bet. So this is what we finna do. I see this little app right here. Finna get into it. Okay. First thing when I open it, this is what we see. Like your photo. Okay, hold on. Bro, she's... We're gonna hold off on that. Let's check. What the... Hey, yo. But she don't even look real, bro. She look AI coded. What the fuck? There's no way she's real. Let me stop. Let me stop talking about people. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Alright, you feel me? But we ain't gonna engage in that right now. Back to prospect. Nah, she too slim for me. I like red, like skinny, but nah. Ooh. Oh, I can't be showing too much on here too. Okay, we valid in the face. What's her name? Yeah. 19, no. That's pushing. You too young, baby. Green flags only for emotional intelligence, man of God. Duck lips, okay. Alright, you feel me? I see you. Which one did she like? Don't stress me out just saying look pretty. Let's cook. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I come trim. Don't stress me out just saying look pretty. I need something back from the profile. This is how I like to scout. I go and volunteer and get back to a third world country. Simple as that. Country. Thinking of, you know what I'm saying? Let's see where her head at. Not everything is crushing, not up front. You know what I'm saying? You'll know. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, you'll know. You can tell by one. Bro, what is up with all you? You're not even developed again. Nah, we up out of there. No, we up out of there. Her bro. What? What? Nah, this is crazy. The BBC effect is real. Nah. We gotta put on. Hold on. Absolutely not. Hold on. Send likes. No. 19. What the? No. Yeah, no. We not even. What the fuck? Okay, hold on. She look like she Italian or like Peruvian. 5'4". Okay. She looks like, I don't know what she is. What she mixed with? Quality time. What she like of mine? Alright. Yeah, I gotta know. Mix with a simple conversation starters, bro. Watch. And we're back. You already know what's going on, man. Alright, look. So, we did get some responses. Shoot. You feel what I'm saying? She said, this is this girl, Curly. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Type shit. Talking about, I promise I can really do that.
Simple as that.
Simple as that. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Energy. Okay. But energy too. Strategy. Simple as that. I'm saying, as simple as that. What she say? Sound good. I bet. Simple as that. You know what I'm saying? Whoa. Whoa. I don't even know if I can show that on here. Yet. Hey man, big girls need love too. Just not from me though. Feet to mine. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, she got a. I'll just play. She pretty. She pretty. She got strong features though, for sure. For surely. She one of them hot girls for sure. She one of them hot girls. She seen this and she said, "Damn, that nigga foreign." You know what I'm saying? But let me calm down. Let me calm down. Arizona State? No, we ain't doing that. Typical Sunday church. Okay, you can't overlook the. You can't look at the bad. Secretly hair party friend. So if you ever want to watch a movie, okay, tattoo. So she kind of like a nerd. You know what I'm saying? Just like me. Face that. I really am though. She said, "Take your time. What's the rush?" I said, "Baby, you're my dog." Hold on. Tell me this. All right, we finna lock in. Straight to the point. Send me your ID. You know what I'm saying? I need to do further investigations. No. 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 Okay. Just don't tell me. Alright. Oh, she like that toxic. I'm really attracted to drug dealers, scammers. Bro, does my profile give that? My shit gives that? Hold on. My shit don't get that. Nothing about that profile gives drug dealer, dope dealer, or even a scammer. Nothing, no ski mask, no nothing, bro. I'm not sure. Maybe I am. I ain't gonna lie, she is. I'm saying she is type shit. She just like the money. We're gonna leave that on hold. 7? Okay, that's not bad. That is not bad. Okay, let's see. Whoa. Alita? Okay, she's not 21 yet. You want to be a man of, you want a man of God. Not, bro, like, look at how the bullshit follows. I'm looking for a man of God. Turn around and post this. They just want you to feed into that trap. She's 5'1". Okay. Typical Sunday Jesus. She got a back tattoo? Oh, gosh, she does. That's all I need to know. All I need to know.
Yeah, that brother's starving.